The U.S. is going through a revival right now, and you could see it in my eyes. We are making manufacturing great again. That's a fact, manufacturing facts, because Donald Trump is leading an insurrection, a revival in the manufacturing world, taking back jobs that went overseas years ago. And now we're making a revival. We're going to witness it in person because we're taking you on a documentary behind the scenes to see exactly how we are taking over manufacturing and making it great again. Not to get all commercial on you, but this job has given me a renewed sense of purpose and prosperity from the wallet to my soul. Thank you, Donald. And it's good for America, too. It's like Jesus opening a recruiting firm and identified me as having what it takes to do something worthwhile. Thank you, Donald. In today's hyper-speed business climate, we need both technology and ingenuity to keep up. And one way to make it happen is by getting rid of foreigners who are slow, except when it comes to running for ICE agents, whether here, legally or not. Whatever the case, they're eating our pets, taking over our houses, and breaking our laws, even when they don't. Can't be trusted. Americans like me now, however, have a distinct advantage on what companies like Cornucopia need now. The know-how and the how-to get to it. And do it even when it doesn't work or has no chance of success. Case in point, what I'm up to today. Tasked at Cornucopia to create an epic new cell phone model made from legacy materials. But it's not a typical cell phone. It's salacious. I'm telling you, you're never going to see anything like it. The bigwigs saw an awesome opportunity that's also creating excellent jobs for average folks like me. It's a new renaissance happening across America. And this new mobile device packs 15,000 electrodes into no microchips while delivering unparalleled performance, functionality, and the retro style that's so in vogue across our country as well as the world. The cord, a forgotten relic of another era, it turns out was already compliant with the emerging USB-C standard. Who would have known? But through our innovation circles, we found out that's exactly how to power them. And so we're recycling, which is something we love doing, including lady parts. In all seriousness, what we do to connect the lady parts is we plug it in right here. As you can see, get a close-up of that. And the used lady razor can be easily installed in what is going to become a sensation in many ways, and fashionable too. Taking advantage of the craze in today's overall wearable electronics fad. Hello? It's him. It's really him. Oh, it's him. It's really him. I'm here. Yes, I am. Okay, I'm gonna go remote now. I can talk to it from here, or from here, or from down here. Yes, I am. Yes. Yes. It's good to be part of the team. Thanks to the marriage of AI and state-of-the-smart robotics in our bench assembly process, we're achieving much less in remarkable amounts of time. Here is my bench, everything I need. We even brought back, as part of this revival, the inbox. It's a far more sophisticated way to keep in touch with everybody from the rank and file to the headquarters team, where we get memos now. Let's see what this one says. Oh, I'm being deported. Never mind. We're integrating 3 different ringtones that we are confident will be standard upon rollout in coming decades. And that's just a taste of what's possible today. Thinking about tomorrow's advances is even more complexing. It's mind-wobbling stuff as we rejuvenate manufacturing here again. It's time for a lunch break. We get to bring our own and are encouraged to chow at our desks so we can collectively supercharge productivity. We are just on top of everything. In today's world, we're making a bologna sandwich. Great again. We're gonna be serving up more bologna on the tube. You won't believe it. Taking over the recipes for innovation and nutrition. Gotta love it.